All right, guys. You remember when I went to Dollar Tree and got the dollar ribeye steaks? Do you remember that? That was a huge video. So I was at Dollar Tree and I saw pork chops for $1. And I'm like, the steaks were okay. They weren't the best ribeye steaks I ever had. But I thought, why not bring home these? So I got dollar pork chops. Let me show you what they look like. Okay, this is going to be a quick little video. We're going to cook these up and tell you if they're any good. But this cracks me up. Paying $1 for pork chops, going to Dollar Tree and buying any meat at Dollar Tree is scary as ever. And they look okay. They look good. I checked them out. They're really, really thin cuts. So we're going to grill these up real quick. We're going to taste them and we'll let you know how is Dollar Tree pork chops. Okay, I know I'm putting my life in my own hands right now by eating this. This one looks good. This one doesn't look that great. It's a little discolored, probably aged a little bit more. There's a little bit of a bone in it, but it's like the thinnest, look how thin this meat is. It's like the thinnest meat. I can almost see through it. The broken spots. It's been shaved really thin. But this one I'm a little nervous about. You know, how meat starts to turn a different color. So it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells just like, let me make sure. Yeah, it smells totally safe. You know, if you've ever smelled bad pork chops or bad chicken, it has an odor. This does not have an odor. This is not bad. I wanted to show you though up close before I season it. Okay, all I did was put salt and pepper on this on both sides. So we're warming up the indoor grill from KCZAZY, the one I did a review on, and we're going to cook it on that as soon as it's ready. Let's get the fan on here. So we have a smokeless cook. There you go. Let's see how these dollar pork chops work out. All right, here we go. Yeah, let's get it all laid out there. There we go. I'm just going to leave this open for now. It's going to be so quick. By the time I put the lid on, I'll have to flip it. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Flip it on that side. Flip it on that side. I may have to flip it one more time. But we're going to let these cook out. Okay, so this one still doesn't look good. I cooked it up. There's still some red. I left it on for a good 5-10 minutes. I mean, I can't leave it on anymore. I'll just make it shoe leather. But this color doesn't look right. This one looks good over here. So let's taste off this one. All right, so if I die, I leave everything to Jack Jr. and my son Garrett. Both the boys can split it right down the middle. I guess my wife's going to want it first. Whatever, my wife will own it all. All right, here we go. Here's a piece of the pork chop right there. Down the hatch. Not bad. Not bad. I know what you're asking me. How about that other pork chop? You're like, go ahead, risk your life. I'm like, no way. I'm not touching that other pork chop. The other pork chop is the wrong color. I gotta eat meat. When it's pork, it's gotta be white. Can't be red. It's gotta be white. And I cooked that pork chop for like 10 minutes. And it's still got some red on it. As for this dollar pork chop, so what you want to do is if you're going to go buy them, turn them over, make sure they look like the right color for a pork chop, and those are the ones to buy if you're going there for pork chops. If you're, you know what, money's tight, kids need a well-balanced meal, you got to do it. My mom did great. We did the same thing, man. We would get, you know, the meat that was on manager special and that kind of stuff. My mom would get day-old bread. So anyway, the dollar pork chops are okay, but make sure you look at in the package. You look at it. It looks like it's the right color. Any discoloration, don't go near it. All right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.